Morning, good afternoon. Welcome to Itigo Engineering Services, the house plan market. This is one of our sites, and I've discussed about this particular site before. This is a 3-bedroom bungalow with a pent floor on it. Okay, so we are going to be the stage we are now is filling and compaction. So after we finish our filling, we are going to start compacting it. Already you've seen that we started compacting the soil. So once we finish compacting it, we'll fill it again and recompact it until we get to the required level. As soon as we are done with compacting, the next thing is to connect all our reinforcements, the continue bars. Once we finish all those connecting, then it is time for us to now start the damp-proof course proper. So as we progress, I'll be showing you updating videos as we move concerning this particular site. Sometimes, or in some cases, if you watch other sites, discover that most people always neglect the damp-proof course for one, maybe economic reasons, or as a result of ignorance. Okay, yeah, I just only want you to know that this particular aspect of the job is very, very important. If you neglect it, then you are going to be sure of having dampness in your house in the long run. For detailed explanation about dampness in your homes, you can visit our site, or I'll drop the link below so that you can see the effect of not having a damp-proof course on your building. Thank you so much. By tomorrow, as we proceed, I'll update you with new videos. Please, if you are joining for the first time, you are free to ask questions that's bothering you about your house construction problems. All right, and like I always say, if one way or the other you get help from one of our videos, please feel free to share it so that other people can benefit from it. And always remember, we are here to help you. Thank you, and God bless you.